Apple's iPhones are notoriously simple devices, but the iOS operating system has so much more to offer than the bog standard configuration you're confronted with out of the box. Apple is great at hand-holding users through cosmetic iPhone customization, but less brilliant at surfacing the myriad settings and features which, depending on how you use your smartphone, can make the experience of using an iPhone even more enjoyable. So, in this video, I'll be highlighting 3 time-saving iPhone settings that you should activate ASAP to make your iPhone feel even slicker than usual. If you're the proud owner of any iPhone newer than an iPhone XS, you can now download iOS 18 at your leisure. And the latest iteration of Apple's mobile operating system features a little-known accessibility option that makes your iPhone feel far more responsive. I'm talking about Haptic Touch, which is the system behind those precise vibrations you feel when long pressing app icons, images, messages, emails, and so on. Haptic Touch has actually been around since the iPhone XR, but in iOS 18, the feature can be customized to deliver even faster haptic feedback than before, and quite frankly, it's a game changer. To boost haptic touch speed on your iPhone, simply head to the accessibility menu in settings, select touch, haptic touch, then switch the option from default to fast. Apple has included a handy test icon below these options too, so you'll be able to feel the difference in response time immediately. Next up is a feature that automatically closes Safari tabs. iPhone users have long debated whether you should close apps running in the background to improve performance and save battery life. And while Apple says that there's no need to close apps unless they become totally unresponsive, we can confidently say that the story is a little different for open browser tabs. We're all guilty of letting an excessive number of tabs run amok in the Safari app, and in addition to becoming laggy, Apple's in-house browser has been known to unexpectedly delete Safari tabs if too many are left open at any one time. So, to help you avoid the headache of a slow Safari browser, we suggest you allow your iPhone to automatically close Safari tabs after a chosen amount of time. To do this, head to Settings and navigate to the Safari Options page. Once there, scroll down and select the Close Tabs menu. By default, the option is set to manual, meaning your iPhone makes you delete open Safari tabs by hand, but by selecting this menu, you can choose to have open tabs close automatically after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. If you want to revisit an automatically closed Safari tab, long press the plus icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the tabs preview screen to bring up a list of recently closed tabs. And just like that, you're on your way to living a tidier digital existence. Technically speaking, this last feature should already be enabled by default on your iPhone, but we see enough people manually activating and approving their contactless payments every morning to warrant its highlighting here. The feature in question is Express Mode, a shortcut that lets you use certain cards, keys, and passes in Apple Wallet without needing to wake or unlock your iPhone with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. To activate it, or check that it's already activated, open the Wallet app, and that's the actual app, not the double tap interface, and select the card you want to use for your daily travel payments. Tap the More button, that's the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen, and hit Card Details. From there, head into Express Travel Settings and select the same card. Now, when you hold your iPhone atop the contactless reader on the way to work, the transaction will complete automatically and a Done icon will appear on your screen. The terminal gate will open and you'll be free to continue your journey towards that 9 AM meeting without holding up the line. What's more, Express Mode also works when your iPhone is out of charge. For up to 5 hours after that dreaded black screen descends, you'll still be able to tap in and out of your chosen travel system with ease. And there you have it, 3 little-known iOS features you should enable right now to help your iPhone feel quicker and stay tidier.